Good day, everyone. So today we'll be doing January 2025 number 1. 2025 number 1. So this is using a calculator, otherwise determine the value of 2/3 of 1/8 plus 5/12 divided by 1/9. Now, anytime you have a combination of operations, and when I say operations, I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power of, brackets, all these things, right? What you have to do is you have to apply BODMAS. The next thing, please note that off means to multiply, right? So according to BODMAS, we're going to do brackets first. Do we have a bracket? Yes, we do. So your brackets tells us is 1/8 plus 5/12 divided by 1/9. And even in the brackets, we have to apply BODMAS. So if you look at in the brackets, there's a plus on division. According to BODMAS, you do division first. So you would have 5/12 divided by 1/9, which is 5/12 multiplied by 9/1. You compare the denominators and numerators to see if a number could go into them. 3 into 9, 3, 3 into 12, 4, 5 3s are 15, 15/4. So this question will now become 1/8 plus, when we did this, we got 15/4. Right, now we have to add, denominators are different, so we have to find the LCM. 4 is a factor of 8. If 4 is a factor of 8, so therefore 8 is my LCM. 8 into 8, 1. 4 into 8, 2. So you get 1 plus 30, which is equals to 31/8. So the brackets is 31/8. So now it's 2/3 multiplied by 31/8. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 8, 4. You'll get 31/12. 12 can go into 31 2 times. 12 2s are 24, 24, and your remainder should be 7, right? That is, 7. 2 and 7/12. And that should be your answer. Now, that's if you, because it did say use a calculator, otherwise it's showing you working using a calculator. I'll show you how to use a sharp calculator, and then I'll show you how to use your Casio calculator. Exactly as I have it here, we'll put it 2/3 multiplied by, open bracket, 1/8 plus 5/12 divided by 1/9, close bracket, press equal. You get 2 and 7/12, which is exactly the answer we have here. Right, your calculator is programmed to do BODMAS, so like 99% of the time. There is the exceptions. 99% of the time, exactly how the question is found here is how you would write it in your calculator. Right, let's use the Casio. The Casio, we have this, so we have fractions 2, 3, let's delete that, multiply by, open bracket, first fraction is 1/8 plus, the next fraction is 5/12. Alright, 5/12 then divided by 1, go down, 3 denominator, 9, and then you're going to close the brackets, press equal. You have that. Hold on, we did get to 1/12, right? And that is how you would do that question. Right, okay, let's go on to the next one. Excuse me. This question says, now for something like this, I would use my calculator, right? Just to make life easier for me. So let's go. We're gonna put 26,082 divided by 52,164. Press equal. You get a half or 0.5, right? Now please note, to change your Casio fraction into decimal, you press that SD and it will convert it. Okay. So it is going to have, there's going to be 314.2 subtract 0.5, right? You can do it manually or you can use a calculator, up to you. So 314.2 subtract your answer is 0.5, your previous answer, which is this. So 313.7. Right, now please, this would give your answer in standard form. So 313.7, to put it in standard form, or the aim in putting something in standard form is that you want one digit in front of your decimal point. So you're going to shift this 1, 2. So it's going to be 3.137 multiplied by 10 to the power of, because you shifted to the left hand side, the power is positive. And how many places did you shift? 2 places, so it's to the power of 2. And that is going to be your answer. Right? Now, if you put 313.7 on your sharp calculator, set up, looking for FSE, what number is under FSE? 1. You want it in scientific notation, which is also in standard form. So they will put it in scientific notation, 3.137 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. Then you go back on mode and you press mode. Set up 1, and you want it on normal, so 3. Right, and that is how you would get standard notation on a sharp calculator. Let's go on to the next question. Jimmy packed several cases of fruit juice for a sale. Each case contains 24 boxes of juice in 3 different varieties: apple, orange, and pineapple, in ratio 2 to 5 to 1 ratio, 2 to 5 to 1 respectively. Again, the order that they list out the fruits is the order the ratio would be. So if it's a 2 to 5 to 1, apple is 2, orange is 5 parts, pineapple is 1 part. Right? We know that your total number of parts would be 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Right? And they want to know how many boxes of juice were packed in each case. So we know that 8 parts is equal to 24. So 1 part would be 24 divided by 8, which is equal to 3. And how many parts we're looking for? Pineapple, which is 1 part, so 3. Or you could have put what fraction of your total is pineapple. That's 1 out of 8 multiplied by 24 over 1, which is 8 into 8, 1, 8 into 24 is 3, so it would be 3 boxes of juice. Right, and that would be your answer for this question here. Right, let's go to the next one. I believe there was an error in this question here, but let's just work around it. From the information given, we'll work back. Right, the profit gain from selling all boxes of pineapple juices is $35.64. Each box of pineapple juice was sold at $3.34. show that the cost price of a box of pineapple juice is $2.35. Now they're supposed to tell you how many boxes were sold, right? To find out. All of the boxes of pineapple juice is 35.64. Each box of pineapple juice was sold at this, and they're telling you to show that the cost price is this. So first off, your selling price is $3.34. Right? So if let's find out if one box, if $3.34. Oh no, this is the profit gain. Sorry, my bad. So we know that profit for one box would be the difference between these two. Now that's why I said they kind of left out some information, so just work on what was given here. The profit for one box would have been $3.34, the selling price minus $2.35. Right, so let's work 3.34 minus 2.35 is equals to 99 cents. So your profit is 99 cents. Right? Let's see. If 99 cents is equals to one box, then $1 would be 1 over 0.99. Therefore, $35.64 would be 1 over 0.99 multiplied by 35.64. Let's find out 35.64 divided by 0.99. So we know from the information given, it should be 36 boxes of pineapple juice. Now from this information, you find it's 36 boxes of juice, then you work backwards. I think they're supposed to say the profit gain from selling all 36 boxes of pineapple juice. Alright, we would say if one box, if 36 boxes, sorry, 1 second. Let's see, if for 36 boxes is equals to $35.64 as a profit, then for one box would be 35.64 over 36, which should give you 99 cents. Right, so that's the profit. This is the profit you're looking at. So therefore my cost price would be my selling price minus my profit, which is $3.34 minus 0.99, which should give you $2.35. And that is how you would do this question. Or this is the way that you would have done it. Right, calculate the percentage, the profit percent made on the sale of boxes of pineapple juice. So profit percent is your profit over your cost price multiplied by 100 over 1. Your profit was 99 cents. Your cost price was $2.35. Yeah. multiply by 100 over 1. Exactly what I have here is what you're going to put in your calculator. So it would be 0.99 divided by 2.35 multiplied by 100 is equal to, you can put it as a fraction if you want, 42 and 6 over 47%, or 42 and 6 over 42.13%, so 2 decimal places. Alright, and that would be your answer. Whichever one should be correct. Right, and that is it for number 1 and how you would do number 1 for January 2025.